Hi, I'm Mama Giuliana. My tips today is how to use minced meat without lumps. So I just prepared the meat and try don't have lumps to make it soft. I put here inside in a bowl and slowly I add milk and mix. And you will see that the meat comes soft and soft. Because sometimes if you make a ragu, never mind. But if you want to make other things like a pie or cannelloni or something else, you need to make very soft without lumps. You see now? It's like this. And it's already okay. Now I use butter. And when the butter is soft, you can put the meat inside. And you will see that doesn't make any lumps. It's cooked really very fast. You just leave like this. Now, if you like to prepare some sauce, you can add tomato, or you can use in everywhere. Just another things I want to tell you. If you need to make the white sauce because you want to make a pie or you want to make cannelloni or you want to make a pasta with the white sauce, don't make the white sauce apart. Just put, now let's cook something again a little bit. And this is without flour, without anything, just butter and meat with some milk. Now, if you need to have white sauce, it's like this, just to put some milk, flour inside. This is just to make very fast. You stir a little bit more. By the time the meat is cooked, you know that if you put flour, every time you have to cook a little because the flour, otherwise you have the taste too much of flour. So you cook and you add more milk. And you let cook more till the meat it's brown and it's cooked, have not to be red inside. You see now it's really ready. It's brown already. It's soft. You can see how it's soft. Also with a spoon, you know. It's not. It doesn't have big lumps inside. Just a little bit. It's like this. It's done. When you finish to cook, you just add some salt. Some pepper. If you like, of course. You can put also, if you like, some nutmeg. Depends what you have to do with this meat. Okay. So now your fantasy, you can use where you like. Like I told you, in pie, for make cannelloni, for make a good pasta. That's all.